try and find a hi-hat.
My name is Eric Lau and I'm head of music for RollingSound.
So if I press play, you see this light goes on. It's just like Fruit Loops.
And what we're doing today is we're doing some workshops, music workshops to make some music towards Chris Ofilis' exhibition.
So that's the kick and the snare. Once you've done that, try and find a hi-hat.
And I love his work and he's supported me, so this is a way of giving back to him, so I'm thankful for this opportunity.
You need to put the kicks to complement those hits. And then
The aim of the workshop is for people to, if they haven't got any music skills, is to learn the basics and to make some music inspired by his work. So we've got a slideshow and we're going to basically make music towards his work. I know he makes a lot of his pieces from listening to music, so we're kind of doing the reverse way around.